Here we are in our customer factory. They do oxidation operations and they want to automate the operation using these moving cranes. Their current system uses cable system with wires to deliver power and data signal. But this has many problems because of corrosion, and the moving machinery cause damage to the wire. So they need a new solution for power supply. That's why they need the busbar system for power supply. But they needed a solution for the data transmission because they also use the wires. That's where our power line product comes in to deliver the data transmission through the busbar. And that makes it very efficient and reduce downtime. Because previously, using these cable system, as there was a lot of maintenance operations that has to do, which caused a lot of downtime. They had to change it multiple times, the cables, and with now the bus bar and our power line, it's a perfect combination for 24/7 operation. Yes, this is Wondertek.